Hello again. If you haven't already watched our new Essential Kit demo video, you should. We will leave a link below. These products work wonders for your skin, but here are a few things to keep in mind while using them. Hold the pouch gently and tear it from the top as marked. You want to be gentle when removing the patches of the mask from the pouch since you don't want to damage them. Play first with the tester pouch so you get the hang of it, as it is a new technology and needs to be handled with special care. Wash your face before applying the product. Avoid exposing the mask to humid conditions or excess moisture. Always handle the mask with dry hands to allow its magic to work on your face, not on your hands. Make sure you don't have your fan on high speed or in a windy condition, as these nanofibers are very delicate and might get dispersed. Give a 2-second gap between sprays for the mask to melt slowly and nicely into skin. If you decide not to use all of them at once, please store the remaining in the Ziploc pouch to keep them airtight. Lastly, avoid applying the mask on an overly dry or wet face, as the mask will fail to stick onto a dry face and melt on a wet face. Now you are all set to experience the magic of new Essentials.